Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2016 government pass question. Question number 23 says the queen can do no wrong means that. The queen can do no wrong means that. Now, option A says the queen is above the law. B say the queen acts on the advice of their ministers on public policy. B said the queen is the effective center of power in the United Kingdom. D, the queen has the loyalty of a vast number of the British population. Now, the queen, this is a British system, and it relates to monarchy. So the queen can do no wrong means that the queen is above the law of the land. So whatever the queen does is correct or absolutely correct. So option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.